Hey everyone, Vikas here. In this short tutorial I am going to show you how you can lock your iPhone screen even your iPhone is on and videos and other things are playing. So there are simple steps to active this feature on your iPhone. So it's called guide access. So in this video I will show you how you can enable. Simply you need to tap on settings. In settings you need to scroll down and tap on accessibility. In accessibility you need to simply scroll down and find here guide access. Right now simply tap on this. Okay, after that you need to simply enable this section and set passcode or face ID. If you want to set passcode, just simply access with passcode, and other option is face ID. After set that, you simply press the side button for 3 times and your iPhone screen is locked. Make sure this option is also on when you try to lock your iPhone screen. That's it.